हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू योर यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मेसी पाठशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज भी हम एक नई वीडियो के साथ प्रस्तुत हुए हैं। तो इसमें हम एमसीक्यूज ऑफ फार्माकोलॉजी, जो कि जर्नल फार्माकोलॉजी के एमसीक्यूज हैं, उसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। तो द फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, एसेंशियल ड्रग आर। तो द राइट आंसर इज बी, the drug that meet the priority health care needs for the population. The second, an orphan's drug is. The right answer is C, a drug needed for the treatment or prevention of a rare disease. Third, drug administered through the following route is most likely to be subjected to first pass metabolism. The answer is oral. Fourth, transdermal drug delivery system offer the following advantage. The right answer is A, they produce high peak plasma concentration of the drug. Fifth, in addition to slow intravenous infusion, which of the following routes of administration allows for titration of the dose of a drug with the response? So the right answer is C, inhalation. 6. Which of the following drug is administered by the intranasal spray application for systemic action? The right answer is B. Compared to subcutaneous injection, the intramuscular injection of drug. The right answer is B. Select the route of administration which carries the highest risk of adversely affected vital function. The answer is C, intravenous injection. Alkalization of urine hasten the excretion. The answer is weakly acidic drug. Majority of the drug cross biological membranes primarily by. The answer is A, passive diffusion. Diffusion of drug across cell membrane. The answer is C. Which of the following drug is most likely to be absorbed from the stomach? The right answer is B, diclofenac sodium. Which of the following is a weakly acidic drug? The right answer is D, phenytoin sodium. The most important factors which governs diffusion of drug across capillaries other than those in the brain is. The right answer is A, blood flow through the capillary. The active transport of the substance across biological membranes has the following characteristic. So the right answer is पी, इट इज पीएच डिपेंड्स, पीएच पे डिपेंड करते हैं। ट्राईसाइक्लिक एंटी डिप्रेसेंट कैन alter the oral absorption of many drugs by the right answer is B. Bioavailability of drug refers to the right answer is A. Bioavailability difference among oral formulation of a drug are most likely to occur if heat drug the right answer is C. Next question, the most important factor governing absorption of a drug from intact skin is the right answer is C. Lipid solubility of the drug. If the total amount of a drug present in the body at a given moment is 2.0 gram and its plasma concentration is 25 Ug plus ml, its volume of distribution is the right answer is B. The following attribute of a drug tends to reduce its volume of distribution. The right answer is C. High plasma protein binding. Marked redistribution is features of the right answer is highly lipid soluble drug. A non-volatile highly lipid soluble drug is metabolized at a rate of 50% per hour on intravenous injection. It produces general anesthesia for 10 minutes, which process is responsible for termination of its action. So the right answer is D. Redistribution. The blood-brain barrier, which restricted entry of many drugs into brain, is constituted by the right answer is all of the above. Which of the following is not true of the blood-brain barrier? The right answer is D. It regulates passage of substance from the brain into blood. Weakly acidic drug. The right answer is B. Are extracted faster in alkaline urine. High plasma protein binding. The right answer is D. Generally makes the drug long action. The plasma protein bond fraction of the drug. The right answer is D. It is not available for metabolism unless activity extracted by the liver. Biotransformation of drug is primarily direct to. The right answer is C. Convert lipid soluble drug into non-lipid soluble metabolites. Which of the following is a prodrug? The right answer is D. A prodrug is. The right answer is C. An inactive drug that is transformed in the body to an active metabolite. 24. Which of the following cytochromes P450 isoenzymes is involved in the metabolism of largest number of drugs in human being and has been implicated in some dangerous drug interactions? So the right answer is A. The following is not true of the cytochrome P450 isoenzyme CYP2D6. So the right answer is A. The most commonly occurring conjugation reaction of drugs and their metabolites is. The right answer is A. Glucuronidation. Microsomal enzyme injection can be a cause of. The right answer is A. Tolerance. The following drug metabolizing reaction is entirely non-microsomal. The right answer is B. Acetylation. Which of the following types of drug metabolizing enzyme are includable? So the right answer is microsomal enzymes. A. Induction of the drug metabolizing enzymes involves. So the right answer is D. Increased synthesis of enzyme protein. Select the drug that undergoes extensive first pass metabolism in the liver. So the right answer is B. Propanol. The drug which undergo high degree of first pass metabolism in liver. So the right answer is A. Have low oral bioavailability. Glomerular filtration of a drug is affected by its plasma protein binding. If a drug undergoes net tubular secretion, its renal clearance will be. So the right answer is A. More than a glomerular filtration rate. The plasma half-life of penicillin G is longer in the newborn because their the answer is D. Tubular transport mechanisms are not well developed. If a drug is extracted in the urine at the rate of 10 ml HR at a steady state plasma concentration of 5 mgl, then in renal clearance the right answer is B. 2.0 LHR. Which of the following is not a primary fundamental? What are derived pharmacokinetic parameters? So the right answer is plasma half-life, D. If a drug is eliminated by first order kinetic. So the right answer is B. Its clearance value will remain constant. If a drug has constant bioavailability and first order elimination, its maintenance does rate will be directly proportional to it. The right answer is total body clearance, D. If the clearance of a drug remains constant, doubling the dose rate will increase the steady state plasma drug concentration by a factors of. So the right answer is B, 2. When the sum dose of a drug is repeated at half-life in intervals, the steady state elute plasma drug concentration is reached after. So the right answer is B, 4 to 5 half-life. The loading dose of a drug is governed by its volume of distribution. Monitoring of blood level of diuretic drug is not parasitic because the answer is B. It is easier to measure the effect of this drug. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, आशा करते हैं आपको ये हमारी वीडियो हेल्पफुल हो। अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और अपने फ्रेंड्सों के साथ शेयर ज़रूर करें और अपने वैल्यूएबल कमेंट हमें दें। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।